Today we will look at the best banks and credit providers in the UAE that offer personal loans without requiring a salary transfer. If you are self-employed, a freelancer, or simply don't want to transfer your money to a bank, this video will help you compare top 4 alternatives, including what you need to qualify for, how much you can borrow, how long you can repay, and how much it will cost you. So this video is top 4 banks for non-salary transfer loans in UAE. It takes a lot of effort to read about the topic and then convert it into a video format. So it really takes a lot of effort and time. I really appreciate if you like this video and subscribe the channel. Thanks. Let's dive in. Number 1 is Afaq Finance. It is a well-known UAE financial institution that provides Sharia-compliant personal financing without the need for a salary transfer. Their personal loan is for people who wish to be able to get money when they need it without having to move their paychecks to a bank account. Applicants must be 21 to 65 years old. They must be UAE resident or nationals and have a monthly income of at least 5,000 dirhams. Loan amount can range from 15,000 dirham to 150,000 dirhams with repayment periods of up to 48 months, that is 4 years. Fees and charges include a processing cost of 1% of the loan amount, which is minimum 500 dirhams and maximum 2,500 dirhams, and a late payment fee of 4% per year for overdue sums. Early settlement incurs a 1% fee on the outstanding balance. As it is a Sharia compliant, so there are no interest, but there are profit rates, usually range from 5% to 15% per year, depending on your profile and the size of your loan. You can also visit the official website of Afaq Finance to get more information about it. You should consider Afaq Finance if you desire ethical money with no salary transfer requirements, as it is a Sharia compliant option. Second option is Deem Finance. It is a registered UAE lender that offers personal loans without requiring a salary transfer. It is suitable for those who want digital convenience and more flexible documentation. If we talk about the eligibility criteria, the monthly salary requirement of 5,000 dirhams is still applied, and they also want a proof of income and a positive credit history. Loan amounts and repayment lengths largely based on income and credit history, but often borrowers receive offers of up to 48 months. Deem interest rates range from 15.99% per year and more, but they are based on credit and income. Their fees also include regular processing and administrative charges determined by the Deem Finance. You should consider this option if you don't need to transfer your salary to Deem. You should consider Deem Finance if you don't want to transfer your salary to apply for a loan. And also, their approval process is very simple if you are able to provide proper income evidence. Third option is RAK Bank. RAK Bank is also giving a personal loan without the need for a salary transfer. This is ideal if you are self-employed, freelancer, or just prefer flexibility. To be eligible, applicant must be UAE residents with a valid Emirates ID, passport, and residency visa. 5,000 monthly income requirement is applied, and self-employed candidates must provide a company license and bank documents. RAK Bank offers loans ranging from 10,000 dirhams up to quite larger amounts based on your profile. Repayment periods span from 12 to 48 months and providing you the freedom to arrange your EMIs. Processing fee is around 1% of the loan amount, which is minimum 500 dirhams and maximum 2,500 dirhams. Late payment fee around 200 dirham for each missed installment. Early settlement cost is approximately 1% of the outstanding debt or 10,000 dirham, whichever is lower. Other modest fee apply for partial settlements and rescheduling. To be eligible for the loan, the minimum credit score should be 541. This is clearly mentioned on their website. Interest rates for non-salary transfer loans range from 12.99% to 22.49% per year on a declining balance basis, depending on income and credit profile. Fourth option is Mashriq Bank, which is also a very renowned bank in UAE. Mashriq Bank offers Mashriq Neo Credit, which differs somewhat from a regular personal loan. Neo Credit is a digital credit line available via the Mashriq Neo app. Their eligibility criteria is very simple. You should have a minimum salary of 5,000 dirhams and you should be able to provide a valid Emirates ID. Mashriq offers personal loans ranging from 150,000 dirhams and the repayment period is up to 48 months. They charge personalized interest rates ranging from 9.49% to 26.49% annually. Typically, processing costs apply and rates vary depending on your risk profile and income. Neo Credit charges monthly interest on usage amounts, which may appear inexpensive initially but can grow costly if sums are carried over time. This is not intended for long-term financing. So Mashreq New Credit is not intended for long-term financing. You should consider Mashreq New Credit only for short-term. So these are the 4 banks that you can consider for non-salary transfer loans in the UAE. Only consider these if you don't want to transfer your salary. So all of these banks have minimum salary requirement of 5,000 dirhams. The interest rates depend largely on your income and credit history. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe for future UAE finance guides. Comment below. Don't go anywhere. You can watch other videos on loans in UAE on this channel. See you in the next video. Take care.